Hey guys, Cast72. I just got some very exciting news for you guys. Believe it or not, it's about, let's see, what time is it, guys? It's um 2:38 a.m. August 16th, which ironically, I kind of woke up, you know, I just have a habit of waking up sometimes in the middle of the night. Just happened to glance at my phone to see, what's going on, anything happening, did I miss out on something, missed messages or anything anyway. Um, so aside from getting a text from my sister wishing me a happy birthday, which today, guys, is my birthday, August 16th, I got even more exciting news. I went over to the App Store because I always do a refresh to make sure all my apps are up to date. And I also go to settings and make sure Apple hasn't pushed out a brand new software or update. And to my surprise, guys, Autel has finally released the application for the Autel robotics drone, which is right here, Autel Explorer. And I wanted to share that with you guys. So if you go to the App Store, because they didn't used to have this it must have just come out either yesterday, August the 15th, or today, ironically, on my birthday, August 16th. So this is an awesome birthday gift. Uh, you can tell if you look at the ratings, there's not enough ratings. I tried looking to see if there was any information on the release date, but I couldn't see anything here. If I go to the Autel Robotics developer site, it doesn't really tell me. I'm sure if I search a little further, I can find out when it was released. It either had to be yesterday, August 15th, or today, August 16th. But it's 55.6 megabytes, and it's basically the app for the Autel EVO drone. And let me open these up real quick and give you a quick look so that you guys can see what it's going to look like. It's basically the same as like on the Android, uh, but again, it's for the uh, iOS platform. I did a video a while back, a couple of days ago actually, when I got the drone. Well, it might have been a week and a half, maybe 2 weeks ago. I did a video when I got the drone, and I had mentioned that I was kind of upset because on the package it mentioned that it was for iOS, and I kind of got upset because I said, well, they don't have the app for iOS. I don't see it. Now, one of my viewers mentioned that if you contacted Autel, you can get it, but it would be a beta version. But it looks like the beta release is no longer around, and this is the actual um, app. So I'll do a quick rundown on it real quick. Like I said, it's like 2 a.m. in the morning. I just got so excited I wanted to share this with you. On second thought, guys, I think I'm going to go ahead and save the actual app review video for a later time. It is early in the morning. I do have to get to work. I just wanted to share the fact that this app is now out for iOS. As far as I know, it either had to come out on August 15th or the 16th of 2018. And I thought, it'd be something to share for those of you that were waiting for the iOS app to come out. It is officially out, and yeah, I need to get some sleep, guys. I got to get to work in the morning, so just got excited when I saw this and wanted to make a quick video to share it with you. So, alright guys, this is Cast72. Peace out.